Douglas Cooling and Heating, serving the Birmingham area for 38 years. 988-3706. That's Douglas.
I'm James Spann with the morning edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Tuesday, the 25th of October. And another beautiful day coming up today. And did you see the northern lights last night? Goodness. These were images captured from across the southern United States. Typically, you see the aurora way up north in the higher latitudes. In fact, that image is from Baileyton up in Cullman County. That was the best Alabama image I saw from last night. That was via spaceweather.com, which is a great site when something like that happens, a big geomagnetic storm. This image was from Arkansas. Wow, that's incredible. Again, that's from spaceweather.com. And farther north, that was from Ontario, Canada. Just remarkable. Of course, obviously, our display was not as intense as that, but still something rare to see. And how about these sunset images last night? That was the sun going down over the Tombigbee River, captured from the Skycam network. And always nice to see the sun going down over the water. We are now in that time of the year. Down in Gulf Shores, you get those sunsets like that here in the cool season between now and February. So just fantastic, severe clear last night. There's the deal this morning. Got a 588 ridge down to the south. The westerlies a little to the north. We're in very dry air, and it feels good. Everybody in the 40s this morning, ranging from 41 at Gadsden to 49 in the city of Birmingham. There's our watch warning map. Hey, out there in Colorado, that is a winter storm warning. Yeah, they're getting set for a pretty good snow out there. And what you see around Memphis in the Mid-South, that's a dense fog advisory. Here's the rain for the next 5 days. Not a lot. This is valid through the weekend, valid through Sunday evening, and this is suggesting rainfall amounts of generally under a quarter inch here. Heavier totals near the Tennessee border with that front coming in. And sure enough, the latest GFS not looking really wet with that, as you'll see. And there's Hurricane Rena in the Caribbean, packing sustained winds of 100 miles an hour, just drifting west-northwest at 3 miles per hour. The steering currents are so weak down there, and accordingly, the spaghetti plot looks like a bowl of spaghetti. You still got the GFDL trying to bring the thing up toward Fort Myers. Most models bring it north and then bend it due east over toward Cuba. There's the intensity forecasts, and you can see that there's very good agreement now. The models peak the intensity in about 36 hours as a major hurricane, and then it weakens out to the next 5 days. And the Hurricane Center is kind of going with the best model blend. They bring it as a major hurricane toward the Yucatan, and then they bring it across Cozumel and Cancun late in the week, and then it hangs a right and weakens as it comes over toward the western tip of Cuba. And obviously, this stays way south of here and no impact on our weather. Still, our friends in South Florida will have to watch it down there around Key West and Miami, but there's a pretty good chance it'll stay south. And some of the models suggesting this trough will bypass that thing. It'll just hang around down there for a long time, as you'll see. Here's the GFS. This is the OZ run, valid at 7 o'clock local time this evening. And again, the core of the jet is a little north of here. Down below that, we have very dry air. Highs upper 70s today. Pretty much the same deal tomorrow. Both models have a high of 77 with a good supply of sunshine. Cold front north of here. Good snow going on in the Colorado mountains. All right, Thursday. Again, you can see this thing is not phased up. You got the core of the energy over New England. A little chunk in the southern branch, but not much. The dynamics are weak. And down below that, just not a lot of rain. This is suggesting a few showers in here Thursday evening and really nothing beyond that. And then we'll go to Friday evening at 7 o'clock, and it's all out of here. So this is kind of hinting maybe the better chance of light rain would be Thursday evening, Thursday night, maybe into Friday morning. And we turn cooler Friday. It's a nice cool air advection. Highs drop into the 60s with a chilly north wind. We note Rena is near the western tip of Cuba. There's Saturday starting off the weekend. What a beautiful day. Goodness, that looks nice. Sunny, and we'll start the day in the upper 30s, the high in the mid-60s, a cobalt blue sky. Just gorgeous. And Sunday looks good. Pretty much the same deal. And look at Rena just sitting there in the Yucatan Channel, just not moving. Monday, again, a beautiful day here, upper 60s. Just perfect fall weather. And a week from today, Another trough coming at us out of the west. We stayed dry. And we'll go to the 3rd of November. A couple of days later, that trough is passing through, and that will bring, if this is correct, a round of showers and storms. We'll check the end of the forecast on the 9th of November. Ooh, a warm ridge. That's a 588 ridge with a big trough out west. And if that's right, the weather would be unseasonably warm. But we all know this is in the land of voodoo, and that will probably change. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3:30 or so today. And if you are local to us, if you live around here, we invite you to watch us on television this evening. ABC 3340 in Birmingham at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Weather.